In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new organization in your Zoho Books. This is really helpful if your business has multiple branches, separate legal entities, or different brands that you want to manage under one Zoho account. Instead of mixing all your transactions together, you can keep each organization's sales, expenses, and reports completely separate, while still switching between them easily. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website. Log in with your Zoho account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, you should land on the Zoho Books home or dashboard page. Take a second to let everything load because some options only appear once the page is fully ready. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, which usually shows your name or email, along with a small arrow next to it. This arrow is important because it opens a menu where you can manage your organizations. Go ahead and click on that arrow. When you click the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options related to your account and organizations. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Manage. This is where Zoho lets you handle all the organizations connected to your profile. Click on Manage to open the organization management page. You will now be taken to a screen that shows the list of organizations linked to your Zoho Books account. This might include your main business, test companies, or any other branches you've already created. On this page, look for a button or link that says New Organization. This is the option that lets you add a new branch or a completely separate company within Zoho Books. Click on New Organization. Once you click it, Zoho will guide you through setting up that new organization. You'll typically be asked for details like the organization name, country, time zone, and other basic information. Take your time filling these in accurately because they affect things like currency, tax formats, and localization. After you complete the setup, Zoho will create the new organization and you'll be able to switch between your existing organizations using that same profile drop-down in the top right corner. Whenever you need to work on a different branch, just click the arrow, choose the organization you want, and Zoho Books will switch you over without needing a separate login.